Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to see all your Google account activities on your Android phone, such as Google account, YouTube, Google Play Store, and Google Drive, Google Photo, etc. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings on Android. So I'm going to click on phone settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on privacy. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down and then go ahead and click on more. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on activity control, and you'll be taken right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and swipe this way. Then go ahead and click on view all. Then here you go. You have access to web and app activity. Just scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all activities on your Google account, your Gmail, your Google Play Store, every activities you have been going through so far on your Google account. It's that simple. Here you can review and delete as many as possible of your Google account activities in a single click. For that, if you want to delete any activity, like for instance, you want to delete this particular activity right here, just go ahead and click on here, and it's going to be deleted from the Google activity right here. Or better still, you can come to the top right here and do a custom delete, and for that, go ahead and click on auto delete on. For that, go ahead and click on here, and this will allow you to choose the range at which you want to delete from your Google activity. So from here you can decide to delete last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.